Well, back to the arena here in San Juan City. This is the Shakey's V-League, and for those who just joined us, this is a match between Southwestern University and the National University. So we'd like to introduce you to our the face of the game, Christine Pareja, 24 years old, from Vallejo, California. We have a Catholic bias.
Yeah, that's the farthest we've gone so far. Diba? Yun na yata yung pinakamalayo nating face of the day. Meron tayong Bulacan, Nueva Ecija, but this is different, huh?
This is the US of A.
So thank you for watching, and because of that, you get a free pizza. Miss Q on the side of the Lady Bulldogs.
That's right, Coach Francis is totally livid at that play, Miss Q. But you know, it goes to show that the fans of the Shakey's V-League has really, really from different places, different countries. And again, another miss receive for National University. Sopido.
Oh, now that caused some alarm to Coach Francis. Let's hear him out.
Kunin mo, hindi naman sa'yo yun. Sa kanya yun. Ano bang gusto niyo mangyari?
Gusto ko
Naman. Yung para sa'yo, hindi mo kukunin. Iaasa mo sa kanya. Yung para sa'yo, ayaw mo talagang kuhanin. Ngayon, kukunin mo yung para sa kanya. Sa mo iseset, tataas mo lang yung bola. Hindi pwedeng ganyan ang larong volleyball. Huwag kayong matulog. Huwag kayong magbigay ng set yan. Pag nagbigay kayo ng set yan, gising na yan. Enyo!
Well, specific instructions by Coach Francis talking about defense. Well, you know, Mozzie, napansin ko rin, no? Parang not a lot of people say mine anymore. Di ba dati that standard, mine. Now you don't hear people say mine.
Well, maybe because of the introduction also of the libero. Most of the
Yours
reception, talaga kanya, di ba? I would say about 70% of yung reception or your defense usually na responsibility ng libero.
Monique Tiangco. Good
Hard.
force.
Dunking it.
Galit na galit.
After that timeout by Coach Francis, will NU now 6 attack points, and it's actually Southwestern University with 9 attack points. So, better attacking by Southwestern University.
That's right. And actually, they're defending better in this set.
Oh, as we say that, Verano with an attack error, sending it into the net.
So now they call back Rap Aguilar.
I think yung kanina we've talked about her, yung sinasabi natin inconsistency, that's why in and out rin siya eh. You'd see her in and out of the game.
Wow, good serve.
Right away on the attack.
A good D by SWU.
It's actually Mandapat, Visa Mandapat, but poor reception. Poor dig, the side of NU.
That's right. Even the blockers were slow. No, nakita nila it's Henrauli. Henrauli is really a go-to person, so the blockers have to be extra aware.
Plus, mabilis siyang pumalo. Even from the open hit, mabilis yung palo niya. So, yun yung mga adjustments naman the blocker should make. Mandapat.
Henrauli
That was
again.
from the back row. Again, giving it to Mandapat. Visa Mandapat.
Oh, good dig.
And then she gets it. After several tries, getting that point. Parang si Coach Francis yung napagod eh.
Parang she wasn't changing until the last spike. Parang biglang na, okay, just...
Lagyan ko nga ng angle just to see. But she
napagod
blows the
na.
serve. Rosendrali now. You know, Noreen, 8 attack points.
Wow.
And 3 digs.
Good numbers. But you know, we were saying it nga, we were talking about her earlier. Hendrali has always been the consistent one for the squad.
That's true. That's so true.
Oh, good cover.
Bianco. That was over-received, but just...
Wow!
Oh, but that was a single block coming from Sante. She gets that point off that wrap. Aguilar's open hit. Exacto.
Oh, read well by Sante. You know, you were talking about Sante losing a lot of weight.
Oh, yes.
We can see in that play, ang taas na rin ang talon niya. Oh, good serve.
Oh, no one there for third ball.
Oh, SWU will want to talk it over. Another timeout.
Okay, isa lang ka receive.
Isa lang sa karata.
Isa lang ka
Isa lang, uminaw.
Isa lang ka receive. Binli. May wala mo ba? Prince Binli. Rapo sa bola.
Uy! Apaka, Prince, isog. Isog ba? Isog, apaka ha? Uminaw.
Salibin.
Apaka, digrapak mo ayaw, naging ano, ubos na mo. Isa ka sa papakas, babaw.
Takot ka na nag-block.
So it's after leading by as much as 4, and you find themselves, SWU finds NU just narrowing the...
Just shaving off the
Oo.
points, diba? 2-point lead na lang for Southwestern. Let's see if they're able to hold on to this lead.
Garces. Arias was there. Vivas. Yes.
The block! Ito yung mga time na you really need Vivas.
Yeah.
Ay, ito crunch time na eh.
Tsaka si Vivas, we know fighter yan.
And yun na nga, will really find a way to score. Whatever way. At least yung risk factor mo sa kanya very little.
That's right. Yun yung mga premier players like Vivas, you have Angie Benting, you know, these are the players that no matter what, they will try to
Sila
score.
Virgin Balse,
Yes.
diba? Hahanap ng way.
Sante!
This is the right way. Sante with the running hit. Just a sweet spot there.
Sante has improved a lot
Yes,
from
Riel
last
and
conference
Sante.
to this conference.
And then parang ano siya, condition na condition. But even the physicality niya, di ba?
Oh.
Lahat na pumapayat na eh.
But I'm gonna ask Coach Francis if we can train in NU.
Sige na nga, mag-train tayo dyan.
Sa NU.
Baka lalong pumuti buhok sa atin yan.
Lino. Verano.
Still going for the tip.
Viva!
This is what we were saying. Now Vivas from the open hit.
Oh, don't look now. NU's ahead by 1.
And Vivas was really asking for that open hit. As you see, only one blocker. The other blocker late for that attack by Vivas.
She can feel it. Ano? She's in the zone.
What a time for that to come.
I got goosebumps there. Parang swerte na eh.
Ang hirap mo nang pigilan yun. Well, so far, NU 6 block points, SWU with only 2, and Viva 6 excellent attacks.
Oh, it's all been Vivas.
And that caught the lines, called in. Coach Francis saying it was out. Try lang daw, try.
He gives it the second look and then he goes, okay, okay.
And I really think he's happy how the girls are playing right now.
That's right. And if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be shaky. Alam mo, comedy rin yan si Comedy King.
That is going to the net. An error on the serve.
Well, that's her second service error, and it's not a good time for her to commit that error.
True. Now it's Asante. Now you see NU talking.
Yes,
Now
yes.
communicating inside the court. And this is how it should be done. And as they get their points from the service line towards the end of this set,
Well, timeout now by the Lady Cobras.
Sige, sige, sige. Layo pa kayo na sana. Ano pa nag-game sa 24? Layo pa kayo sana. Nakasabot.
Basta lang daw.
Receive. Sabi, patay sa bola para makatuloy si Spiker. Patay sa bola.
Hindi tayo yun.
Receive sa bola. Sige ka. Receive ka na.
Well, another set point for NU right now. 24-21. But it showed character for NU. And if this is an example or a showing of what they're going to do in this quarterfinals, Coach Francis is going to be happy.
And they're trying to snatch this away from the Lady Cobras, who really, I thought, was going to get the
Yeah.
second set already.
Again.
Again, ending it with a point from the block. That's what they have been doing since the first set.
Well, NU breathing new life here in this towards the end of the second set. Everything working for them, and we can see in that last play blocking working for them as well. And they take the second set. We'll be back.